Good morning, everyone. This is Lisa, and today I'd like to show you how to upload a single page from a large PDF file. This might be useful for you if you've purchased a bundle from TPT and you just wanted to assign one or two sheets to your students and upload onto Google Drive. Okay, so let's begin. So what I've done ahead of time is I've actually gone ahead and on Adobe Reader, I've actually uploaded a sample resource that I created for teachers last year. And in this resource themselves, today, what I'm interested in doing is I'm interested in uploading only page 3 onto the Google Drive. How I would do that is I would first head up to the top left-hand corner of the screen and I would hit File. Then I would drag my mouse down to the print function. From the print function, I would hit the drop-down menu and I would choose to have it printed Microsoft Print to PDF. From there, I would go down to the Pages to Print button, and I would only choose page 3 because this is what I'm interested in. And the last step is I would go down to the orientation and I would choose landscape because my original file was in the landscape format. From there, I would hit the print button, after which it would prompt me to save the print output as, under which today I'm going to save it under sample on my desktop. And once I click save, the next option I would have is I would minimize my screen, and on the desktop I will see my PDF file. Once I double click on this, what I will see is a brand new PDF file, but only with the page that I wanted, which is page 3. And from here, I'm ready to download or upload it to Google Drive. So let's show you now how to upload it onto Google Drive. This is my Google Drive account. And on the top left-hand corner, there's a multicolored plus sign with the new. I would click the new button and I would scroll down to File Upload. Once I hit the File Upload, I would go onto my desktop and I would choose the file that I had saved. I would double click on this and voila. Here you go. Your PDF file is all ready and set for you to use however you like with your students. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or leave a comment down below. And if you haven't, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Thank you so much for everything and have a great day. Thank you.